More fire. Yush. Okay. Rain like mountains round about Jerusalem. Hey, so it's Emperor Selassie around I and I. Hey, like mountains round about Jerusalem. How you feeling? So it's Emperor Selassie around I and I. Boy, there's no one that I'm singers and these such a political. It's like you come yourself and crush the crackers. Babylon fool, you get a frag you like a beaters. Well, I would know it's better than the like down to the acres. Free up your knowledge and the youth and you producers. Words with the remix on your letters. Flatter release when it's a bunch of like a beaters. Let's see the reels of me together. Running like mountains round about Jerusalem. So it's up for us to see around I and I. Round about Jerusalem. Hey, so it's a Selassie around I and I. One Emmanuel I Selassie I jump. I want to say a blessed morning and greetings in the name of the majestic King Selassie the First. Praise the Almighty. Yush. Babylon and Israel them. 13 Bugger, say about them. How you feeling? You don't know say Yush, you know. Sizzla Kalonji will live on the Ronald Williams Center with the ladies. And it's a Babylon and Israel them also. Don't see who go up some one themselves. Telling them can't hold the future with no ass not jar. Yo, you feeling alright? Hey, sing along. Well, Babylon and listen on device new plan. Dangerous in no me there so too long. Blackness whistle so alright, black man. Black woman teeth and glisten. Ethiopian. The fire never misses, so we burn Babylon. This going to bring none and united nation. Look at the go at the feel repatriation. Can you never know me tell us to push up your hands? Babylon and they say okay. Are you feeling? Give me a little for them on the microphone. You know this is Yush, a beautiful party for the ladies. Here we go. There's nothing in the system. Somebody say pull up. Hey, we deny the devil and we praise the Almighty. I said, Joe. All who deny the devil and praise the Almighty, some more fire. Allow me to grace the stage and allow me to be here. I'm here to fish. I tell you now, there's nothing in the system of which they created all around. Hey, the criticize their own nature, yet they catch others more. If they were to drown, they're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who came around. They look in the corner, skylark in the street, flirt in the town. They never done positive. All the final negative people in the road. Dance a yard, I don't me have to tell you. These are the people that say go where I say good way. Say cool up. A little more for them on the stage, Mr. Engineer. First of all, I want to no caps in between China and bounces. Alright. So we got the nice and decent people that we know them born in Jamaica. I'll run the music fans. Turn on the rhythm and don't turn it down. Me I go extra hard tonight. Me have the device. Well, when I say guide over us, hey, para. Yo, put up. One on there. After no care, no piazza. I'm behind you. Hear me now? Turn up the rhythm and stop itching. Stop rap for me, chief. I want this to do up here, I'm going to sing a fire in night here. Hey, we don't know what I want. I want to go with that speaker, yeah. Engineer, show me that speaker, yeah. Give me some more for them around here and stop rap with me, yeah? Don't talk. Well, I'm going to say guide over us. Emperor. Them your road, rugged and steep. I know it is up. Hey, for us to make it home. If I prove them, you're not sin of teach. Guide over us. Emperor Selassie, I Rasta, these could have never get me. I know it is up. For us to make it home. If I prove them, you're not sin of teach. Well, all these are those who can something they have been placing. The rest of the jobs are living on never smash legging. There is shall lose their eye to be falling high. But in other place the witness die uprising. That's all making it onto my way. No apology, fire on them every. Oh, conspiracy, let the gun apply. Now the fall underneath without a say. Guide over. Hey. Hey. It's actually a come fix the man inside the front. Alright? No, I've been there. Well, soon enough, where I be up with my sight. Some me share, others do as they. Some of just let me hear the ladies sing out. Hey, some the heart is like ice, waiting to see your fall. Yes, we all, you know. Sure. Hey, yeah. Oh, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. No, I've been there all days of my life. Well, stood on a quit, and we share, others do as they like. Some of just a first time off it here with all them parts and night. Some they're right, let me hear you sing this on top of your voices. Hey, tell them so we all, you know. And everyone deserves to burn. So let's see crown and so I want my brother. All in the burn. And them table don't return. The one shit us in us. And the one your name. So they ever get a humble time. Bonfire, bonfire. Oh. Oh, we don't see this amount of fire coming forward up there. Just talking the roller, top of the bag and then I let it roll. Yeah, we don't see no fire on them. I'm talking about and dash you in. Come and me go mash them. She said that her heart drama. Hey, pull up. This face doesn't sound nice. I want to tell this thing. Hey, Parasol, see ya. We are here from start. Yeah. Oh, we don't know how I go on. So, what you say? We have to turn up the party near more fire, though. Hey, turn up the fire for Celestia now. Yush, it's a presence, in the emperor. Pull up. Pass. Hold on. Hear me now. You see the man who operate that something here? Because you know where your bungle jungle do, yeah? I tell you, you have to listen to the artist. When I say fire, you have to work it. And remove yourself, you're being fired, alright? Stop ramping. Every time I come and see me sitting bag of gadgets and then I work them. Show you what I'm going to do with them. Yeah, run it again, next track. I don't press the almighty and dinner deliver some more fire. Well, yeah, it's Celestia, Joe. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know. Big up the sponsors, them same way. Bounce around on the spot. Well, I say praises. King of kings, to a fullness of truth. Rastafari, that's a yard. Well, tell them again, praises Jah, Eliapa. King of kings, I'm on to a fullness of truth. Rastafari, that's a yard. Well, you shall tell them again, say Jah, Rastafari. When I'm Sizzla, be a real fans of the Sizzla, bless everyone, you know what I'm saying? All those who visit in the country for the first time, I want to say welcome. Bless our beautiful ladies. Big up our respectful big man and general in the place. I Celestia, Joe. Alright. Well, show us the way that does me. Fire blaze are not cool, no, man. Teach us to pray. No matter how the girls are sexy, they have to sing roots and culture. Yeah, I will be energy. Are you feeling, ladies? You're doing right, okay? Straight and protection at the fireman. Hey, Yush, well, then, me tell you now, this is life. Live and protect your road. Could never be right, giving your black self. Then I won't judge fault when the theater. Justice and equal rights to make battle and front one go ask them who they are. The ignorant times, that's what they send them. Hey, no matter you face now who you are, all fall is a feed done. Sizzla Kalonji say you're fire, but show us be sanctified. Fire blaze ain't not cool, no way. Teach us to face and as you do to tell. You see that song here? That's for the man them where I get rich. And can't get a hold of themselves.
Yo, kings of this earth, come to yourself, you can.
Woman of this earth, ready to meditate. In the black sound, rock up music amongst kings of this earth. You cannot see yourself with true job, let's show it your well. Woman of this earth, article Rastaman vibration moving through. What are you?
Hey, what is Babylon?
Children, what is Babylon?
Babylon definition is confusion. One man not gonna need all
10,000 women.
Fyah never see
No prostitute, not one.
but want the woman them judging.
They are Mogidean.
Remember say woman they are more than a man. Remember say them
Slaughter, enough black man.
in a this life. This and that and revolution. Some of them back against the wall.
In the execution.
Them two when them telling that them not full position. I find
The bigger civilization. Sizzla Kalonji, big up all the man from our nation. Kings of this earth.
take them up at you.
Them say old school. Come look here now. What you don't know, sir? It's cybernetic health we're living in. But you still have people suffering. Some people never know so them now who have stones behind them. Anywhere you're from, you gotta remember that. And remember your roots and don't forget your culture. Well, yeah. Alright, you know they got to use them homeland. Who is doing it? Who knows?
Hey,
The world as it is.
so they got caught with all the things to them now.
Foundation for set. We got to do it quick. It's open kind of extra. Ain't no easy way about this.
Some a sidestep,
Some comfort trick. Just educate me. You say me never this.
some of they use them secure own.
Education is the key, right? Who am I than the study of the Almighty?
Well done, how you doing?
Have you been able to pull up? Oh my gosh, ladies, you're awesomely beautiful. How many of the ladies scream? Even no funny man no in here, must have black now. Ladies, do not allow no funny man to walk side of you. That's the reason you
Alright, me love girls, I'm straight. And we not be afraid. Jamaica say